Big news in the drone world. DJI has officially locked in the release date for its next flagship, the Mavic 4 Pro, and alongside that announcement, all signs now point to a September 2025 debut for its smaller but highly anticipated sibling, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. For fans of portable aerial photography, this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting launches of the year. The news comes via respected leakers in the drone community, who've cross-referenced earlier whispers with fresh intel, placing the Mini 5 Pro's release squarely in late Q3 2025. With that timeline, DJI is positioning itself to capture the drone market right before the holiday shopping rush, a move we've seen them pull off successfully in previous years. What makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro stand out isn't just its place in the beloved Mini series. Based on current rumors, this device could redefine what's possible in the sub-250-gram category. That magic weight limit, under 249 g, means it avoids many of the regulatory hoops required in regions like the US and EU, such as FAA registration or remote ID compliance, provided users stick with the default configuration. So, what's new? For starters, let's talk about the camera system, which is getting a serious overhaul. The Mini 4 Pro offered a capable 101.3-inch sensor, but the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to pack a full 1-inch sensor. That's a huge leap in terms of light capture, detail, and dynamic range, especially in low-light or complex shooting environments. For creators who demand high-quality video without the bulk of larger drones, this could be a game-changer. But DJI isn't stopping with just camera upgrades. One of the biggest rumored features is the inclusion of LiDAR, light detection, and ranging technology. If this makes it into the final product, the Mini 5 Pro would be the first ultra-light drone to offer advanced depth mapping and obstacle detection. This isn't just marketing hype. LiDAR would massively improve safety and navigation in tight or low-light spaces, making the drone smarter and more reliable in challenging environments. Another potential headline feature? Battery life. The Mini 4 Pro maxed out around 34 minutes of flight time, but early reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro could hit an astonishing 50 minutes on a single charge. That kind of endurance puts it in a league of its own for lightweight drones and opens up new possibilities for long-form shooting sessions, aerial mapping, and remote scouting. Transmission range is also expected to get a significant bump. DJI's next-gen communication tech could give the Mini 5 Pro a range of up to 25 kilometers, while still delivering high-resolution, low-latency video. For users who film in wide, open landscapes, this means fewer connectivity dropouts and more freedom to explore. And yes, vertical video support is expected to return, or possibly improve. With social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, shorts favoring vertical content, this feature has become a must-have for modern creators. DJI knows this, and the Mini 5 Pro could become the ultimate compact storytelling tool for content makers on the go. Design-wise, don't expect a radical departure from the Mini series DNA. The foldable, travel-ready build will remain a core feature, and improvements are likely in heat management, build quality, and possibly lighter composite materials. In short, expect a drone that's not only powerful, but built to travel without compromise. As for pricing, no official word yet, but analysts are predicting a jump from the Mini 4 Pro's launch price of $759. With a larger sensor, better battery, LiDAR, and enhanced transmission capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro could land in the $850 to $900 range, or slightly higher, depending on inflation and regional taxes. But even at that price, it may represent excellent value for those looking for a compact yet powerful aerial tool without stepping into the heavier Mavic territory. It's worth noting, while DJI plans to keep the stock drone under 249 g, adding, aftermarket batteries or other heavy accessories might push it over the regulatory threshold. That could introduce registration requirements in places like the US or Europe. So if staying under the legal radar is a priority, it's best to stick with standard accessories. In the bigger picture, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a refresh. It's a bold step forward, combining professional-grade features with the convenience and portability that the Mini series is known for. Whether you're a travel vlogger, a drone hobbyist, or a creative professional looking for serious image quality in a small package, this drone could tick every box. Here on Techno Trend Zone, we'll continue to track every leak, spec, and official update on the DJI Mini 5 Pro as we approach launch day. If you're considering an upgrade or getting into drones for the first time, this may be the model to watch in 2025. Stay tuned for more updates, hands-on coverage, and in-depth analysis, only on Techno Trend Zone.